What's up, guys? Brandon Gonzalez here. Going to show you a couple mobility stretches, things I like to do before getting ready for a baseball game or throwing. First one's simple. Probably did it in Little League. It's arm across the body. Going to hold that for a good 15 seconds. All right, now we're going to go to the opposite arm. You want to make sure you put pressure on your, apply pressure towards the elbow part, just so you can get more of a stretch in. We're going to go one more time, each arm. And you'll start to feel that you get more of a stretch because you stretch the first time. Other arm again. Now, we're going to go behind the back. What you want to do is put the arm behind you, and with the opposite arm, pull down by your elbow. So it should look like this. And we'll hold that for 15 seconds. Now we're going to go the opposite arm. This one's really good for a good tricep stretch. Now the next one, we're going to do a little forearm stretch. You want to have your hand out like this and pull back right here. Hold it for 15 seconds. And now you want to do the same thing, but the opposite way. Pull it down. I like to do this before I throw, especially on a curveball, because it really works the forearm movement. All right, now we're going to go the other hand, top side. You gotta remember, everything you do to one side of the body, you want to do to the other, just so there's no imbalance. All right, now, not sure what to call this one, but this one feels really good on the arm. You want to put your arm that you're focusing on behind your back like this, and you want to pull right here. Pull towards the left side of your body. So it'll look like this. We'll do that for 15 seconds. Big internal rotation. All right, now the other arm. As you can tell, my other arm, my right arm is more flexible than my left. That is because I throw with my right arm. Should probably work on that. Now, this one is just a external rotation hang. Not a hang, but just see how far you can go back without slouching your back so much. We'll hold that for 15 seconds. Okay, now the opposite arm. Again, not as good as the right arm, but you know. Now we're going to get into my personal favorite stretch. It's called a sleeper stretch. You want to lay down on the ground on your side, whichever arm you're working. Just make sure it's parallel with the shoulder. And you want to go down and hold for 15 seconds. Now, do the opposite arm. Again, for 15 seconds. Now we'll get to the legs. We're gonna go by holding 90-90s. What 90-90s are just 90 degrees from your legs. Basically switching over, but we'll hold 15 seconds. Now the opposite side. Now we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to lift this leg up, working the hips. So it'll be like this, holding it for 15 seconds, and if you can't, 10. Not a very easy stretch to do, but within time, you'll be able to get it. It's pretty hot. Now the opposite side. One more forward. Good. Right here. Next one, last one. You just want to put your leg in right here, lean over it, get a good stretch in for the hip. We'll do that for 10 seconds. And then last thing, opposite leg, 10 seconds. that will conclude our flexibility workout and mobility. Appreciate it for coming.